People online keep asking, is this real? Is it a tech trick made by social media? Or a kids actually using in a real classroom? You've probably seen this video on your feed. A teacher in China draws a rough shape on a blackboard and in a split seconds it turns into a glowing 3D object that rotates on a screen. Write a max equation, a graph appears instantly. Draw a simple sketch, it becomes an interactive model. In this video, we are going to expose everything inside the black AI board. We are looking at the glass, the software, the AI, and how engineers actually built it. First, let's look at the hardware. Most touchscreens in older classrooms have a small problem called parallax. That's when there is a tiny air gap between the outer glass and the screen inside. When you write, the digital ring feels like a floating below your pen. To fix this, Chinese engineers use a method called zero gap optical bonding. They use a clear liquid glue to stick the glass directly to the screen. This gap disappears, so writing on it feels like a real, and around the edge they install high-speed lighting sensors. These track your fingers or pen thousands of times per second. This is a zero visible lag. They also add special anti-glass that spread out classroom light. So students sitting so far to the side and can see everything clearly without eye strain. Now, how does the board know when the teacher is drawing? Or how does a flat sketch becomes a 3D object? It uses a 3-step computer vision process. Step 1. Cleaning. When a teacher writes, the board clean up the line and ignore the marks resting on the glass. Simple. Step 2. Identifying. The AI reads, the AI writes, and the AI decides what it is. Is it a word? Or it is a max equation? Or it is a shape? If it's a max formula, it turns the handwriting into a clean text and draw a graph next to it. 3D building is step 3. If the teacher draws a flat shape like 6 connected squares, the graph software recognizes it is a folded cube. It calculates the corner and builds a 3D shape right away. That's why teacher can sweep the screen, rotate the cube, or cut into half with their fingers. Behind the screen, the real brain AI model called Spark LLM, made by a company named iFlytek. Unlike general AI tools, the system was trained on over 20 years of school books, test papers, and lesson plans. It knows how teachers explain hard topics step by step. Here is another interesting detail. The system runs on Chinese AI computer chips. The board also have 24 tiny microphone hidden along the frame. They focus on the teacher's voice, block outside background students' noise, write on the full lesson as text, and create a quick summary note the students can scan with a phone QR code. So, how is this working in a real school? For teachers, the main benefit is saving time. They don't have to stop teaching to open computer files or search for features. They just draw and the blackboard creates the visual. But it is not perfect. If a teacher has very bad handwriting, the board can get confused and the drawing wrong shape. Also because the blackboard translate everything and record audio. Some people worrying it create too much pressure on both students and teachers. What starts as a helpful teaching tools also act as a full-time monitoring. This viral AI blackboard is not a magic trick and it is not a CGI. It is a real result of 25 years of hardware development, smart softwares, and heavy government investment in education. While many schools around the world still treat digital boards like a giant computer monitors, The system can turning the blackboard into an active assistant. What do you think? Would you like to have an AI blackboard in your school or university? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.